Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Dogness device to Wi-Fi. First, confirm your home Wi-Fi is a 2.4 GHz network, as 5 GHz is not supported. Next, download the Dogness app from your App Store. Power on your Dogness device and place it near your router. Have your Wi-Fi network name and password handy for the setup process. Now, open the Dogness application on your phone or tablet. Look for the Add Device button, often a plus sign, and tap it. From the list, choose your exact Dogness product model. The app will then guide you through preparing the device, which might involve pressing a reset button or waiting for an indicator light to flash. On the next screen, you will enter your Wi-Fi network details. Make sure to select your 2.4 GHz network. Then, carefully type in your Wi-Fi password. Double-check that both the network name and password are absolutely correct to avoid connection issues. The device will then attempt to connect, which may take about 1 minute. Once connected, your Dogness device should display a solid indicator light, often blue or green, confirming success. Test its functions using the app to ensure full control. If you encounter issues, try resetting the device and restarting the app. Remember, 5 GHz Wi-Fi is not compatible, and a strong 2.4 GHz signal is crucial for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.